Hello everyone. Today we are going to study Standard 9's Histories lesson number 1, that is sources of history. Now in this lesson we are going to study modern history, that is post-independence history of India. History is a study of important events of the past. It is divided into three parts: ancient, medieval and modern. Now there are different methods of studying history. Also there are different sources of history. Now the sources of modern history are written sources, material sources, oral sources and audiovisual sources. The sources of studying ancient and medieval history are somehow different. Now let us study the sources of studying modern history. Now written source. In written source, the first one is newspaper. Now see, newspapers play a very important role as a source of history. We get all types of news in a newspaper. It's an important source to study history. In ancient days, in recent days, internet is one more important source of modern history. But still, newspapers have maintained their importance. Now, what do we come to know from a newspaper? Let us see. We come to know about local, national and international affairs, politics, art, sports, literature, social and cultural affairs, as well as some of the newspapers produce special editions and supplements also. Now the second written source is Press Trust of India, PTI. Press Trust of India is another important source of information for modern history. It provides authentic reports, photographs, articles, financial and scientific issues to newspapers. Now it uses satellite broadcast for the same. Now number three written source is postage stamps. Now postage stamps do not reveal anything, but we have to study them and we have to get the meaning out of the different pictures printed on them. The postal department issues stamps on various themes like political leaders, animals, birds, different important events, etc. Now the second important source of modern history is material source. Now under material sources we are going to discuss about coins and museums. Number one, coins. We can study history with the help of coins. They speak about contemporary issues, for example, population control, importance of agriculture and farmers, etc. Now, second important material source is museum. The museums provide lot of information about history. In India, each state has government and private museums. There are private collectors also who collect coins, notes, nutcrackers, etc. So all this information also work as a source of modern history. Now there are oral sources also, and under oral sources the folk songs, folk tales, proverbs, ballads, even OVs, Marathi OVs, all this information, povadas also, they play a role of an important source to modern history. Now for example, Lokshahir Annabhau Sathe and Shahir Amar Sheikh, okay, their povadas are very important during Sanyukta Maharashtra movement. Now let us see another important source of history, that is audiovisual source. Now television, films, internet are called audiovisual media. They too provide a lot of information about many things. Those have historical importance. Now for example, see on television there are some channels, for example History Channel or Discovery Channel. They also play important role in providing historical information. So they are also very important historical sources. Now under audiovisual sources, Film and Television Institute of India also plays important role, that is called FTII. The government of India started Film and Television Institute of India, FTII, at Pune in 1960 to provide public education. Now another institute is there, that is India News Review, and it also produces newsreels on important events in politics, social issues, art, sports and culture. So in this way, today we discussed about different sources of modern history. Now these sources are not permanent sources, they keep changing. New sources are also upcoming. So I request all the students to go through this lesson, to make their own notes, and also to solve the exercises given below. Okay, so thank you very much.